Hi everybody, welcome to the Goodwine Zone. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to do a little brief review of the Paul McCartney Got Back concert. No, Alex, it's not Get Back, it's Got Back, as you can see by my ticket right here.
People are lining up. Tennessee University bowling, Thompson-Bowling Arena. What time is it? Is it 7 yet?
It's 7:09.
7:09. Doors are not open yet. We're lining up. And by the way, we have spotted one Tesla in the parking lot. About to show you a red one. We're at the McCartney concert. A helicopter, Thompson-Bowling Arena, and a gorgeous Model 3 in red.
So it's going to be a little bit of a different review today in that we're just going to show some pictures and talk about it. There are a lot of videos already posted that are playing some of the music and videos from the concert. We're not going to do that because of copyright issues. Depending on the purpose of your YouTube channel, sometimes you can play the copyrighted music, sometimes you cannot. So based on these issues, we are not going to play any copyrighted music. But we'll talk about the concert a little bit. And we had a blast going up there as a family. And we've already done a review of the Graduate Knoxville Hotel where we stayed, which was just fantastic, a great place to stay. The concert was a lot of fun. We're going to show you some pictures. One of my greatest memories of the concert was that when Paul got out on the stage, that rose up, did a little solo portion of some tunes, and it rose up high above the main stage. The light show was great. I'm not going to say anything negative about the concert. If you want to hear something negative, you can go to some of the other reviews. Paul did a wonderful job of letting the audience enjoy all of their favorite tunes. Sure, you could search back to a lot of the old Beatles and Wings tunes and find some, kind of obscure and not so obscure tunes that he didn't do, but goodness, put on a 4-hour show and, to have him do all of the songs, he would just be there for days. So most of the favorites, I think he hit, and everybody had a great time. And the lights were really neat, especially with Live and Let Die. That was one of the highlights. Did some new songs. One of the new songs I'm not so fond of, and you can kind of figure that out. But it was a wonderful time. I will say the only thing negative was about the venue. Thompson-Bowling Arena did not have good instructions for getting to your seat, and they did not direct people the right way. And goodness, it took us 45 minutes from the time we got inside I'll call it a Coliseum, to get to your seat with foot traffic just going in two different directions, and no direction or instructions or helpful suggestions from anybody that worked there. So that was a mess. But by the time you got to your seat, everything was fine. So we had a great time. I hope you enjoyed just a few of these pictures. And you can link, if you want, to Alex's. So we'll put a link down to Alex's YouTube channel where he has several of the videos posted of songs that were played. And it was a great time. All right. So I hope you enjoy that. And hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks. See you next time on the Goodwine Zone.